Hi, this is Blake with Matrix, and I'm going to show you how to enable Tableau Pulse on your cloud site. So first, you're going to want to go into your cloud settings at the very bottom, and on the General tab, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you'll see Tableau Pulse deployment and an option to turn on Tableau Pulse. I'm going to check that, and by default, it will be available for all users on the site, or you could set it up where only users in specified groups have access. And then with Pulse, there's an option to enable insight summaries using Tableau's generative AI. I'm going to also check that option as well, and then go to save. And then if you noticed on the left-hand side here, there's a new Tableau Pulse option. So if you click that, that is where you'll set up your Pulse insights. I have one set up already, following revenue. I'm going to click on that. And using the sample superstore data set, I can see that a general overview of that revenue metric for the month of February. And then if you scroll down here, you'll see some insights about that revenue metric, specifically which customer name decreased the most. And you'll see that visualization here. There's also some options for what is the trend or which customer name increased the most. If you click on that, it'll change your visualization or add one and show you which question this is asking now. There's also a breakdown section that's showing revenue by customer name, as well as those two from the previous screen. And then there's also the option to ask some more question, which customer name had high revenue? And it looks like it's going to pick the top 5 and group the others in this case. And then which customer name had low revenue? Again, it's going to pick the bottom 5 in this case and then group all the others. Quickly, I'll show you how I set up the metric. Again, using the sample superstore data set, I called the metric revenue with a description. And then down here in the value section, I selected the measure revenue. And the aggregation is sum. And then for my time dimension, I selected order date. And by default, it is compared to the prior period. There are many more options to explore, but this is what I have set up currently. And then once you're done, you click save, and it takes you back to that first screen that we went over.